bought the tube laser machine from Blue Elephant. This is our second machine. Previously we bought a CNC machine from the same company. The reason we went for this particular machine is because we do long lengths, and our machine has 3 chucks, the loading chuck, the center cutter chuck, and the last end receiving chuck, which gives us the opportunity to cut long lengths, because our gates and tubes they could be over 5 meters or 6 meters at a time. So yeah, so far it's been a very good experience. The communication, the shipping, everything was in a timely manner, and the quality, the build quality is very good. Operation is very smooth. The only areas that I feel we should have done a bit better is some of the parts got damaged during the shipment, maybe. But the technician says he's going to help us source them back. And they're always available on WhatsApp. So that's one very positive feedback. And it seems the user friendliness of the machine is very good as well. Now, the technician who came to set this up was Albert. He's very good, very professional, and he's helped us to learn a lot in a very short time frame. So really good, and one of the best people we have worked with so far. In terms of improvement, some of the damaged parts that we expect that doesn't be sorted out, but in future if they could be packed properly. The other area for improvement I would say is if there's a local, because now I think a few companies already have bought in Australia, we need local technical support. And if not, then whenever we have an issue, we need a very quick feedback on WhatsApp, maybe a video call as well, and maybe remote loading. Yes, so thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.